In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io's email tracking features. By the end, you'll have open and click tracking turned on in your Apollo account so you can understand who's engaging with your emails and when. Start by opening your Apollo workspace and navigating to admin settings. This is where organization-wide preferences live, so it's the right place to manage how emails are tracked across your account. From there, move into all settings to see the full list of configuration options in one place. If you ever feel lost, remember you're looking for the email-specific controls, which are grouped together so they're easy to find. Next, head into Email Settings. This section controls how Apollo handles engagement signals for the emails you send through the platform. You'll see options related to tracking, sending behavior, and other defaults. Today we're focusing on the two tracking toggles that matter most for visibility: Open Tracking and Click Tracking. Enable Open Tracking. This adds a tiny, invisible image to outgoing messages so Apollo can detect when an email is opened. It's helpful for gauging interest and timing follow-ups. Keep in mind that some inbox providers block images by default or route mail through privacy services, which can limit the precision of open data. Treat opens as directional rather than absolute. Great for spotting patterns and prioritizing outreach. Now enable click tracking. With this on, Apollo wraps the links in your emails so it can record when a recipient clicks. Clicks are a stronger signal of intent than opens, since they indicate someone took action on your message. Be sure your links are clear, relevant, and minimal. Cleaner emails generally perform better and are less likely to trigger filters. Also note that recipients will land on your intended URL as usual. Apollo only measures the interaction on the way there. When both toggles are set the way you want, click Save. This applies your changes so new emails sent through Apollo capture open and click activity. If you don't save, the settings won't take effect, so it's worth a quick double check before leaving the page. From here, expect more insight into how your messages are performing. Opens can help you time follow-ups, while clicks can guide you to the most engaged prospects and the strongest calls to action. Remember that engagement data will vary by audience and security settings, and that respecting recipient preferences and applicable regulations is essential. That's it. Your Apollo.io email tracking is now enabled and ready to inform smarter outreach.